First of all, thanks for being part of this video. In this video, we are going to learn the concept called profit and loss, and it is class 1. Let's understand this concept through the questions. First question: a man buys a pen for rupees 25 and sells it for rupees 30. So find his profit. Means he brought at 25 rupees. So cost price is 25 and selling price is 30. The profit is nothing but the gain he got, which is 5 rupees. This is profit. Let's see this question. A boy buys a toy for rupees 50 and sells it for rupees 40. So it is clear that he bought at 50 rupees and sells at 40 rupees. He made a loss of 10 rupees. So loss is 10 rupees. These two are very basic questions for this concept. Let's see what is profit or gain. Profit is nothing but cost price, selling price minus cost price. Okay, selling price, because in profit selling price is more than the cost price, so profit is equals to selling price minus cost price. What if it is loss? In the loss, cost price is more than selling price, so CP minus SP. Okay, profit is SP minus CP, loss means CP minus SP. Now what is gain or loss percentage? To find the gain or loss percentage, what we do is, the formula is loss or gain. This loss or gain depends on cost price only, so we do cost price in the denominator into 100. So this is a formula. Let's understand through the questions. Find the gain or loss percentage if first one, CP value is 500, selling price is 565. So here there is a profit of 65 rupees. In the first question, profit percentage is equals to how much profit I got is 65 rupees profit. 65 rupees profit on 500 rupees. Always take a cost price on the denominator, because always the profit is made upon the cost price. So we take cost price here. So into 100. Double zeros cancel, 5 13 times. So how much profit percentage he's got in first question is 13% profit. 13% profit. Let's see second question. He bought at 700 rupees, sells at 630 rupees. So he made a loss of 70 rupees. To find the percentage, we'll take that 70 rupees loss on cost price, 700 into 100. Double zeros cancel, 7 10 times. So 10% loss he made. So these are the questions that are asked about percentage, profit percentage or loss percentage. How we do is loss or gain divided by CP into 100. Okay, next let's see this question. A loss of 5% was suffered by selling a plot for rupees 4085. For this type of questions, we'll take with percentages. Let's take CP, cost price is 100 rupees, and it is said that a loss of 5%. We have taken 100. Loss means lesser than the cost price. So how much loss? 5% loss. 5% of this one is 5. 5 reduced means 95 rupees. At 95 rupees, he sells, and it is saying that the selling price is 4085. Now the cost price of the plot was asking about the cost price. So how we do is 100 divided by x equals to 95 divided by 4085. This is 5 19 times, 5 8 times, 1 time, and 7 times. Now this will be 19 4 times 76 and 3 times 57. So x value, which is cost price is equals to 4300. This is the cost price. Okay, let's see one more concept, one more question. The profit earned by selling an article for 600 rupees is equal to the loss incurred when the same article is sold for rupees 400. It is said that profit earned equal to loss. If we see like this, profit equals to loss, then what we have is profit is equals to selling price minus cost price. Loss is equals to cost price minus selling price. Here in the first case, profit selling an article for 600 rupees. 600 rupees is the selling price here. When the same article is sold for 400 rupees, loss occurred. So here the selling price is 400, and it is said that profit is equal to loss. So P equals to L means we are equating these two. SP means 600 minus CP equals to CP minus 400. So 2CP equals to 1000, cost price is equals to 500. So 500 is the cost price. Now what the question is, what should be the sale price of the article for making 25% profit? Let's take this is 100% cost price. He wants 25% more. So 125% he want to buy at sell at 125%. What is the value? So 25 5 times, 25 4 times, 4 25 times, 5 into 25, which will be 125. 125 into 5 times, which will be 625. 625 rupees is the rupees to make a 25% profit. Next, let's see one more question. The profit earned by selling an article for 515 is equal to, so profit is equal to the loss of same article. Okay, so profit is equals to selling price minus cost price. Loss is equals to cost price minus selling price. First selling price is 515. In this the selling price is 475. Now these are equal means 515 minus CP equals to CP minus 475. So 2CP equals to 10, 8, 9 and 9. So CP value is 2, 5 times 9, 4 times 45 into 11 times means sum of these two, 495. Cost price is 495 rupees. What is the question that is asked? What should be the sale price of the article for making 40% profit? It is 100%. 100% value is 495, and he wants to make 40% profit, means 40% more than 100, which means 140%. So 0 0 cancel. 5 2 times 5, 9 times 45, 5 9 times 45. 2 7 times, 7 into 9 times means 7 into 99 times. 7 9 times is 63 into 11 times means sum of these two, 693 rupees. So answer for this one is 693 rupees. Okay, let's see one more concept in this profit and loss, which is reduction of price. A reduction of 30% in the price of a tea enables a person to buy 3 kgs more for rupees 20. So okay, find the original price per kg of tea. For this type of reduction of prices question, we take the reduction, which is 30%. Due to the 30% reduction, how much extra we bought is 3 kgs. So at 100%, how much we can buy is 30% reduction, we can buy 3 kgs. So at 100%, how many kgs we can buy is 3, 10 times 10, 10 times. So we got a 10 kg is the answer. So it is said that at 100% we get 10 kgs, means initially 3 kgs more, means initially 7 kgs only we can bought. Now we can bought, now we can buy 10 kgs. This is the point, that is according to the question. And said that for the 20 rupees, at 20 rupees initially we can able to buy 7 kgs only. Now at 20 rupees we can buy 10 kgs. What is the question is find the original price per kg. So initially it is the price. So what is the question asked? Per kg means for 1 kg it takes 20 divided by 7 rupees, which is 7 2 times, and 14 6 by 7 rupees. So 2 6 by 7 rupees is taken. Option B is our answer. Let's see one more question related to this one. A reduction of 10%. So for 10% reduction, how much more we can buy? We can buy 10 more apples. 10 more apples we can buy. Okay. So at 100% we can buy, here 10% 10 values, 10 apples means at 100% we can buy 100 apples. And it is clear that 10 more apples we can buy at rupees 54. Here now we can buy 100 apples. Initially we can buy only 90 apples. Okay, at 54 rupees. Now we can buy 100 apples at 54 rupees. The question asked is the reduced price of apples per dozen. Here the concept about a reduced price. For the reduced price, what is the actual price we have? 54 rupees. And how many apples we can able to buy at 100% is 100. So into, it is talking about per dozen. In a dozen there are 12 apples. So 12 4 times 48, 12 5 times 60, 64, and divided by 100 means 6.48 rupees. So this is the answer for this question. Let's see one more question and understand this concept. A reduction of 20% in the price of onions. At 20% profit, 20% reduction, we can able to purchase 8 kgs more. 8 kgs more. So at 100%, 20% 8 kgs means 100%, which is into 5 times. So into 5 times, which is 40 kgs. We can able to buy 40 kgs. Okay, the question asked is what is the reduced price per kg and what was the price per kg before reduction. Okay, so now we can buy 40 kgs. Initially we able to buy 32 kgs only. Now we can buy 8 kgs more. Okay, this 32 kgs we can able to buy before at 80 rupees. Now we can buy 40 kgs at 80 rupees. The question asked is what is the reduced price. I already said that for the reduced price we have the price value which is 80 upon the quantity now we can buy after reduction is 40. So this is the reduced price, which is 2 rupees. The question, what was the price per kg before reduction? Before reduction means this concept. Before reduction 32 kgs for 80 rupees. Asked about per kg. So for 1 kg 80 divided by 32. 8 10 times 8 4 times 10 divided by 4 means 2.5 rupees. So this is the answer for the second one. Okay, so that's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe, and click on the bell icon to get instant notification about my videos. Thanks for watching.